G'day Christian creators, so you've done a Fortnite video and you want to do a thumbnail. Well, to start with, we use Pixlr E. It's not an affiliate, but there's a problem.
My name is Craig and this is Morningstar Better Thumbnails. Don't make great thumbnails, just make them better.
So if we go into Pixlr, we have an issue. And the problem is, we've got all these fonts, but none of them look like the Fortnite font, especially the Fortnite word itself. But what if you want to even change that and put your name or put something else but in that font? Well, let me show you. So let's Google fonts. Who would have thought? And we come to this page, fonts knowledge, but what we want up the top here is fonts. So once we're in this page, we just go luckiest guy and you'll see that this is the Fortnite font. You can see that the main title, the word Fortnite, is a bit different to this, but we'll get to that in a sec. So download it wherever you want, then go find it. So when you open the file, it'll still be in a zip file, so we need to extract that. And we've got the text up here in your folder. You grab luckiest guy regular.ttf, and this is the hard bit. You click, you drag, and you drop. Done. So when we go up here, it's in. So we can type in anything we want, and then you can change the size. It's not capitals. That's better. I mean, you could leave it like this. You can go up here to the top. You can change the color. Here's another problem. So you could bring this in yourself. Job done. You don't even need to worry about all this. Or you could just go with this one, and that's fine. But you could even make it
911.
better. No, you can see that it's not exact. So how do we fix this? I'm glad you asked. But before we do, we need a classic Fortnite background. Easy. We go on layer. We click on gradient. We click on radial gradient. You click on here, you pick the first color. So we want it to be blue. Then we pick the other side. Now we want the same blue, but a bit darker. So anywhere we pick, it'll be a radial gradient. So let's go like this from here to here, and we can step it up a little bit more. Make sure you've got the same layer. You go filter, vignette, and then we just darken this out. That is your Fortnite background. You didn't think it was going to be that easy, did you? Back to the lettering. How do we get it from this to that? We do one letter at a time. Click on add text. Make sure you're on the luckiest guy, capital F. Now, make sure we just make that so small. When we have all the letters, they're not going to go on top of each other and it'll just make it very hard. So let's make some copies. 1, 2, 3, Fort, N-I-T-E. We'll make this one O. Oops, sorry. We'll make this one capital O. Looks the same. And we'll just do that. Then we go, I think you're getting this. So now as we have it, we have them all separate. So let's just get them a little bit closer. Then all we do is just put this behind all the others and we'll lock the back layer just so we don't get it confused. Now each one of these is a text, but we don't want it as a text. We want it as an image because we're going to distort things. You can't distort text, but you can with images. So we go layer, we go rasterize, I don't know. Then we go free distort, and then we can just distort it to however we want. Now this doesn't have to be the word Fortnite, of course, because at the end of the day, it can be your name. It can be anything. So don't get too hung up and just keep distorting until you get it close enough, and then you go apply, yes, rasterize, edit, free distort, and then we stretch. Just do the best you can. It just has to be close enough. And then we do the rest of the letters. So there we have it. Get rid of the other layer. You can just tweak it where you want it. There you have it. And then if you want them all to be together, you can go to the top layer. You can click on merge down and then top layer, merge down. So you're just merging the top and the next one. Let's merge the whole lot, but we're just doing one layer at a time. until we get to the bottom. See, now it is just one word. And that's how we don't do great. We just do better. Go do something awesome for God, and I'll catch you in the next one.